Hi guys, it's like 2 degrees Celsius outside, and I am outside with my cats because they're spoiled. So we're in the catio. It is windy, so you might hear the canopy rustling in the wind. But I went to the mail, and look what's here. I was so excited. I couldn't wait to share it with you. So I cut a bit of the tape before I came outside, but I have not looked inside. Well, let's see what we got. Ooh, there's the top. So let's see. Inspiration photo for April 2021. There's the photo. Very pretty. There's pattern suggestions. And over here we have our April. I'm not going to look at it because I want to be surprised. Ooh. And under the tissue paper we have, oh, look at the pretty colors. This feels like a medium grade, like a Corriedale maybe? Hand dyed, Vast Prairie, 5 ounces. It doesn't say what it is. Well, still pretty. Oh, what's this? Yarn bobbins. Ooh, how fun. Let's see what we got. We got 3 ounces of alpaca and silk. Oh, okay, this one's the March 2021. I wonder if this one's the April. This is merino, earth green. That's a gorgeous color. They would go all right together. It's very soft. Oh, there's the March one. I'm glad they were able to ship them together. So, let's see. Oh my goodness. Super fine merino in clementine, 5 ounces. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, and to go with it, we have a blended merino. Oh, look. So pretty. There's 5 ounces of that. And the luxury fiber is 70% BFL and 30% C-cell. I would be curious to see how that one dyes up. Curious. So that would be March and April. So this is March. Would be these ones here. So bright. Kind of need that in March. And these would be April's. I still don't know what the Vast Prairie is. I'm curious. And then the wool bobbins. And, oh, look what fell. Oh, it's a stitch marker. Oh, it's pretty. And a little stitch marker. Trying to get it to turn. There we go. And that's by Fibermancy. So, that was March. We got the superfine merino in the clementine, the blended merino, and the blue-faced Leicester. So the other options were evergreen Corriedale and Rocky Mountain Art Bat, which was a merino bamboo blend. So in April, we got the merino in earth green, which would be this one. Oh, this would be Charleroi. Charleroi. It's a French breed. It's 30 to 33 microns, 80 millimeter staple length. So that's a fairly long staple length on it. The other option was a cocktail olive green Shetland. And then the luxuries were alpaca silk, which is the one I got. Or, here's the alpaca silk. Look how pretty that is. It's got such a lovely cream color to it. And the other option had been the Sparkle Earth Green, which was an earth green merino blended with 30% rainbow nylon. So apparently I have some more spinning to do. So what I was thinking, with all these fibers I have piling up that I haven't spun yet, and with talking about my ply magazines the other day, is I might try grabbing a ply magazine, then searching through my stash for something that relates to that issue, and then using an article in that magazine to do a spin. I thought it might be something different to try, so I will give that a go the other day. But for now, that's what came in my March and April Wool Interrupted Fiber of the Month Club, which I am still absolutely thrilled with. I feel so badly with them because they've been having the shipping options or shipping problems lately, but they've been picking up the pace and getting everything here as quick as they can, and I'm totally, like, I'm not angry about it. I feel so badly for them to be having these issues, especially during, you know, the Rona, as we call it around my family. Anyways, that's what I got for you today. So do the stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.